everybody. Welcome to Mike and May's Great Adventure.
Hello guys.
So we're on I-80 in Wyoming.
Yes.
Just past Laramie, a little west. And for 30 something years I've driven by this rest area up here that has the Lincoln Memorial. So I told May we're going to stop today so I can check that off the list. One of the many things I've driven by 1,000 times and never stopped at. So stay tuned and we'll take a look at it together. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed we took pictures, but I don't know what we were thinking. We didn't do any video.
Yeah.
We got back down in the truck and so I told May, I said, we didn't do any video. But we got a bunch of pictures there. I mean, I'd say pictures are worth 1,000 words, so you'll get to look at those. We're, I don't know if, did we tell people we're headed to, yeah, I can't think of the actual
Like part of Oakland.
We are headed to Hayward, California. It's like a suburb of like San Jose, Oakland area. So we're going to be delivering this. So well, you guys already know. I think it's a United van. It's the one that when we went to pick it up had 3 flat tires.
Yeah.
So they want it there by Tuesday morning. We're going to get it there Monday around noon. So we kind of got a relaxing next day or two. We can just kick back and relax. Take it a little bit easy.
There's a lot of snow over here. I made it to melt, but
yes.
Still.
Good old Wyoming. I think just last week, one day, this was closed down because of snow.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Imagine that. It's spring already,
Yeah.
but still snowing on this place.
It isn't.
I guess even in Colorado, right, honey? Still snowing in the mountain.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, especially there's mountains down there.
Yeah. A lot of snow.
I guess we were just east of Laramie. I thought we were west of Laramie, but it's been a little while since I came out this way.
Yeah.
We've been mostly running. Everything we had was going to the LA area. We were running 40 here across I-10.
Yeah, in New Mexico, Texas.
Yeah. It's kind of nice for a change to come across here.
And now we are back here.
Alright guys.
Hey guys.
Day 2. We're still in Wyoming. Well, I got 26 miles and we're in Utah.
Yeah, we are here in the long
It's one of May's favorite parts.
yeah, it's like
It's a long downhill straight stretch. I love it because all of a sudden I start getting good fuel mileage.
if you are there in the top and then you can see to the tank. Oh my god, it's like you can see all the car trucks.
Everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. For those that have traveled through Wyoming and know how windy it is, There's zero wind this morning. We just went by windmills. They're standing still. There's no wind blowing any direction. And for the rest of Wyoming, a lot of
You
Utah.
mean today?
Yeah.
Yesterday's windy, right?
Oh my God, yesterday was horrible.
Yeah, 40 or 40 to 41.
The last one said 45 plus mile an hour wind gusts. Today, we just get out of Wyoming without wind. That's a victory. We're going to try, well, we're not going to try, we're going to go to Sparks, Nevada today. And stop there. This is Sunday. We're going to do, sorry about that, guys. It's a directional thing. Yeah, we're just going to stop there. Then we have like 230 miles into our delivery Monday morning. There's nowhere in Los Angeles or in California to stay, really. I mean,
Yeah, there's only one truck there.
the 49er. 49er, and you got to pay $20 to park. So we're going to stay out here where it's free. Plus, it'll give us a little bit of an early day. We've been running till 7 or 8 o'clock at night since we left home.
Yes.
We'll get down here about 5 o'clock. A nice early day. I can watch the NASCAR race. They can do TikTok or whatever. And so we head down through this valley. It's pretty cool. Should be some good footage.
Okay, so we are here in Salt Lake, Utah. And then you can see the water there. That's salt water.
Great Salt Lake.
Yeah. It's been a while since we're not coming this way.
It's one of my favorite parts of the country.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Someone have fun today.
Oh yeah, look at that.
What is called? What's called?
Hang gliding.
Yeah, it's
Got somebody pulling him, or did he just take off from the wind?
it's look like there are two people
I guess just the right amount of
or
wind.
one person.
Oh, that's see him. He has an engine on the back. Yeah, that's what it is.
That's
Always wanted to do that.
That's fun. Guys, so we're done fueling, and then look at this little
I have a visitor.
yes.
He wants to go to California. I told him he's not going for free. He has to pay.
It's cute. Hi. Hey. Hey. Hi. 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 Look at his mouth, honey.
Yeah.
Why like that? Then their eyes is red. I mean the eyes is red.
Wish I had potato
Hi.
chips or something.
If I stand up, I don't know if gonna be stay there.
Yeah, try it.
Huh? Hold it like that. I get the cereal, okay? Or banana.
Good piece of hot dog bread right above your head there.
Did you eat the one bread?
Yeah. Yeah.
We're going to give the bread.
If he stays there. He's
A little pieces only.
yeah, just tear one in half. Yeah, there you
Where I'm
go.
gonna throw it?
Right out this side window here.
I'll eat it.
Where's the rest of them?
They're eating, guys. Here. Other one, go. Get your food there. Come on. Come on.
Caught it.
Aw. No, he did not got it.
Yeah, he did. He caught it.
Ah, yeah. I don't know if I get that. No more.
All right, let's go, Part. Going along with us, buddy? See how long he rides along.
No more. We're gonna.
Oh my God, he's riding with us. Oh, there he goes.
What kind of bird is that?
Seagulls.
Seagulls. Okay. I'm gonna give more of them. Come on. You have to. You have to. I gave one.
Okay.
Oh gosh, we're gonna give our food. That's okay. Hey! Look at this, honey.
Yeah.
Hey! Here.
Throw it out there.
Here. Oh. Here. No more. Cute.
There we go.
They're cute, right? Aww. Right, I'm gonna throw it again.
No, honey, don't throw all our bread away.
Why? They're hungry.
They got it.
I have cereal, honey. Can you hold it quick? Yeah, don't throw it, okay? I'm gonna throw it to them. I'm gonna go down. Do you think they're not afraid to me?
No, no, back up from you a little bit.
Here, take me video over like this.
There we go,
You want the
guys.
food? Okay, give you food. Okay, come on.
We call these sky rats over by Pennsylvania, but I guess they're pretty cool. She's not throwing it out far enough. There we go. All right, go ahead. Walk.
Truck.
Walk further out so I can get you on camera.
Huh?
Walk further so I can get you. See something else, guys. In her mind right now, I bet she's thinking, if I could catch one of them, we'd be eating good tonight.
They're cute. You got that?
Yeah. All right, guys. So we are in Sparks.
Oh my god, my hair.
We stopped for the day.
Yes. We have what call this, like a lot of video from Salt Lake to here because you know our video is too much long.
Because May fell asleep. She was sitting over there in the chair, we're hitting bumps, and her head's going like this. But she slept. Looked like she slept well. I hope you enjoyed the seagull thing. May has a fascination with seagulls.
I have fun today, guy.
Yeah, so tomorrow we're going to be about 4 hours over to delivery. I'm going to let rush hour die down a little, about 8:30. I think we'll roll out of here.
Yeah, and then I think I told them that our cereal, I give all of them.
Yeah, we had like a quarter of a bag of cereal. It's been about a month, so we just gave that to them. We have a fresh box. But,
and then they love it.
Yeah. But hope you enjoyed the video, everybody. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like. Until next time.
Take care, guys. Bye.
Bye.